Hey everybody, this is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and it's kind of still dark 30 around here, but I wanted to give you a channel update. I probably won't be around as much for the next couple of weeks because my wife is having a surgery that will be taking place next week on Tuesday. But between now and then we have to we have to do a bunch of stuff that's getting ready for it, and we also have to deal with recovery afterwards. Even though it is an outpatient surgery, she won't be able to do any heavy lifting for sure for at least the next couple of weeks after that, and probably maybe even up to 6 to 8 weeks. So that kind of throws us in a little bit of a bind as far as doing other things. The responsibilities will have to shift to myself, which leaves less time for making videos and for watching videos and stuff like that. But we will keep plugging along as much as we can and as often as we can. We will get around to each and every one of you. We really appreciate the views, the support, the everything, being a part of this community, and so we just want to say thank you. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.